Step 1. Download XAMPP installer. Visit https://www.apachefriends.org/index.html and click on the Download button for the latest version of XAMPP. Step 2. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded XAMPP installer file, e.g., XAMPP, Windows, x64, x.installer, exe, and double-click on it to run the installer. Step 3. User Account Control, UAC, prompt. If prompted by User Account Control, UAC, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Step 4. Select OK on pop-up message. Step 5. Select components. In the XAMPP Setup wizard, select the components you want to install. By default, Apache, MySQL, PHP, and phpMyAdmin are selected. Step 6. Choose installation directory. Choose the directory where you want to install XAMPP. The default directory is c:\XAMPP, but you can select a different location if not. Step 7. Start the installation. Click on the Next button to start the installation process. The installer will extract and install the selected components to the specified directory. Step 7. Complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to launch the XAMPP control panel. Uncheck the box and click Finish. Step 8. Set properties for XAMPP. Type XAMPP in search box next to Windows icon. Open file location. Right-click the XAMPP control panel, then select Properties. Click on the Advanced button to open window and check Run as administrator. Select OK and close all. Click Apply and then select Continue on pop-up box. Click OK to close all windows. Step 9. Open XAMPP.